John here from Dirt Days. I'm heading to Baja tomorrow. Next week when I come back, the build will start. But I got a few things in. Just wanted to show you what I'm going to do. So check out this. This is the FoutzMotorsports skid plate. This thing is freaking bitchin'. It's nice and thick. Look at that thing. Heavy duty. Can't wait to get that on. That's going to protect my hole underneath. It goes all the way back past the transmission transfer case. And then I got shock guards for the skids. Look how beefy these things are. That'll help to not break off the lower shocks from the rocks with the guards, or the guard for the shock that faces forward. Nice and thick, should take a beating. I also got the Foutz diff cover, so when you hit rocky stuff, it's not going to damage the diff, sliding over things. Here's the Foutz front light bar for the stock bumper. I'll be mounting that with these lights. These are SD Lighting AZ out of Arizona. These will be mounted on here. Have 4 ambers, 1 clears on there, and then the clears I have already on the A-pillars. Pretty cool. Show you the setup when I'm finished.